So French.
My name is Samer Al-Jishi. I'm the president of BFG International. We are a multinational industry that was created in Bahrain over 40 years ago. Was one of the pioneers in industry in the region, and we're one of the global pioneers in composite manufacturing industry as well. So we're very proud to have created a homegrown Bahraini industry and brought it to an international stage. The French market is one of our key markets, and we have a number of strategic clients that are located in France. Of course, one of them is Alstom Transportation, which builds trains in France and in other locations in Europe. It was quite a courageous decision for a French giant to place confidence with a Bahraini-based manufacturing company, as well as a giant leap for a Bahraini manufacturing company to work with such a large firm in France. So the relation started in 1999, and within a few years we became a global leader in our line of business, which is in the supply of interiors for passenger trains throughout Europe. We took on a leading position. So again, we brought a lot of know-how and technology from our home base in Bahrain. France is a country with a lot of possibilities in terms of business. It's quite multicultural. It was rather easy to do business with. You have to be, of course, you have to meet certain levels of quality. The French market also looks for certain levels of innovation. In fact, it was through innovation that we had our first entry into the market. So the French market is quite interesting in its combination of openness, but also a strict demand on good quality, good products, innovative products. I like the culture because I think the culture has a really beautiful flair for creativity. And it was this innovation capacity that we saw in France that prompted us to start an R&D center to develop basic research and applied research in new technologies. And we set this up in France about 3 years ago. It's been an excellent program. We set our R&D center, so this is a global R&D center, looking at waste remediation technologies for clean water. We set this up in Strasbourg with great support from the city of Strasbourg, the local region, as well as the government. It's a project that received a very high profile as one of the first, I would say, joint Bahraini-French innovation collaborations. And it's at the stage today where it's going to start rolling out first range of products. The program itself with the government is quite interesting. We are happy that we won a grant about several months ago. It's a unique grant because usually grants in France go to companies directly and to universities directly. In this case, BFG Environmental Technologies, which is our R&D company, became the administrator of a grant. So in effect, it took the grant, and through it works. The funding is allocated to a number of universities who are working with us to develop the technology. France for us is a key part of BFG International's business. Both in terms of business volume, but also in terms of a manufacturing base and an innovation base. We're very happy to be there, and we look forward to additional growth in that area in the years to come.
So French.